Mere weeks after Little Brother announced his imminent return to Ireland, Noel Gallagher has confirmed live dates in Belfast and Dublin for next year on the tour for his forthcoming album Who Built the Moon. The Exorcist Man will play SSE Arena on May 9th and 3 Arena on May 10th as the final pair of shows in a run of 12 dates, which also includes stops at Manchester Arena, the Hydro in Glasgow and London's Wembley Arena. Who Built the Moon is set for release on Friday, November 24, 2017. The official press blurb for the attendant tour memorably describes the follow-up to Gallagher's 2015 LP Chasing Yesterday as flowing from the same molten core of melody, songwriting craft and towering self-belief, and poised between experimental and a jukebox of ageless influence, following a bracing two-year creative collaboration with renowned producer, DJ and composer David Holmes. Tickets on sale from 9 a.m. today via serenabelfast.com and Ticketmaster outlets. For full terms and conditions, see ticketmaster.ie.